Hi everyone, good evening. Kamusta ang lahat? Good evening. So it's dinner time here na sa amin, no? Manchester. Time check here is 5:55 na ng hapon, pero mataas pa ang araw ko. No, dapat, ano ako ngayon? Diba? Hindi na ako kumakain dapat ng alas 5. Diba? After 5, hindi na ako kumakain ng dinner. More water na lang, tsaka black coffee. Pero, nag-crave ako nito, I cannot stop thinking about this. Ilang araw na. So, few days I was craving with this one. So, today, finally, I'm gonna eat. I'm craving satisfied, no? Crispy, fried chicken wings. Kain. Meron tayong leftover ng fried rice ng mga kids. This is kids leftover, no? Fried rice. So, I'm gonna finish it. There's a brown rice, guys. Brown rice. No? We use brown rice na dito sa bahay. Ayun. Nakikrip ko nito, meron lang akong kunting ketchup. Nakikrip talaga ako nito ng araw na eh. Anak, Jack. Anak. Turn up the volume, please. Next to yourself. Have it still live here, okay? Video. Ito mo? So, very crispy. Keep craving. Hindi ako big pa ng deep fried mga manok ko. May minsan ako nag-crave ako. Your macaroni Jack is still hot, okay? Lagi ko sa macaroni.
Come on, Shapes.
Yesterday, home exercise tayo ngayon, wala. Pahinga. Kasi pag nag-workout ka today, next day dapat i-relax mo yung mga muscles mo, no? Mga nerves mo. Panalo. Wala akong magtumas, dapat magtumas ng ano ito, partner. Hindi pa ako makapunta sa Asian store. My favorite. Plum tomato.
Shapes, so many shapes, so many shapes. I see so many shapes, so many shapes. I see a circle, it's perfectly round. I see a circle, it's perfectly round. I see a semicircle, it's half a circle. I see a semicircle, it's half a circle. I see an oval, it looks like an egg. I see an oval, it looks like an egg. I see an ellipse, it's like squash circle. I see an ellipse, it's like squash circle.
Mas lalo na tayo nag-brown, no? Kasi ingat ditong panahon. Pag kinik ang araw, sobrang init. Ang table ba? Kahit mga pasasabi ko to, kahit yung lang mga tao dito nagsasabi na ang init dito, ang sunlight dito sa UK, sa Europe, ibang-iba. Parang blade pag nakaka sa balat mo. Pero mga puti dito, parang nanging silang lechon, magpapainit. Ang resulta nila namumula lang sa lahat ng parang sunog yung balat nila. Ang ganitong kulay, ang patok na patok dito sa Europe. So, Western yan country, may sa brown. Golden brown na kulay, brown, sun. Dark brown. Thank you. Nalagyan ng tissue para masok yung oil.
Shapes, so many shapes, so many shapes. I see so many shapes, so many shapes. We're almost done. Let's go. I see a pentagon. It has 5 sides. I see a pentagon. It has 5 sides. I see a pentagon. It has 6 sides. I see a pentagon. It has 6 sides.
Lutong.
I see a pentagon. It has 7 sides. I see a pentagon. It has 7 sides. I see a octagon. It has 8 sides. I see a octagon. It has 8 sides. I see a monogon. It has 9 sides.
Pwede mo drink ko.
It has 8 sides. I see a decagon. It has 10 sides. I see a decagon.
May zero, may Coke 0. Zero, ano yung Coke 0? Ito. Sarap talaga ito sa mga ano, mga dried food, like mga crispy fry na yun. Cheers! Ito pa yung pinakakain ko guys, pinaka-packer food ko. Crispy. Kahit buto, pwede mo nang ngayain. Brown na talaga ang kulay ni Mami. Craving satisfied talaga. Can I see the cheese? Wow, cheesy. Try it.
Why does it not smell cheesy?
Try it. Try it. You try chicken?
Yeah.
Pick up all. Anak, gentleman anak. Ano? Where did I go?
Mama, Coca-Cola, please.
You don't like it? You never tried Coca-Cola? You want to smell it? Excuse me?
I don't like it.
Pardon me? Excuse me?
I want to put some cheesy pasta on
Yes,
the
yes,
rice.
Gentleman naman, no? Just get as much as you can.
Hey, you pushed me.
Sorry. You don't have to finish it all, okay?
I'm full.
You are distracted.
Come on, back up, please. Toy, toy.
Ang last ko na Coca-Cola is siguro mga last month or 2 months ago. Zero. Coca-Cola zero. Fried chicken.
I taste it. It's very good.
Very good. Very good.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. He's watching. He's watching us. Sis. Guys, that was Mummy's hand.
Can you point to the dog? Good job. What does a dog say?
So fresh.
Let's pretend to be dogs. Good job. Can you point to the cat? Pointing to the cat.
Mama.
Pointing to the cat.
Is that lettuce?
What does a cat say? Yeah. Meow. Let's pretend to be
I
cats.
could say.
Meow. Meow.
Oh.
Meow.
Meow. Ito tomato dito.
If you should need an elephant
Why you do that?
on a summer's
What's up,
day, what would you do and what would you say? Say, good morning, elephant. How do you do? Good morning, elephant. Now may I dance with you?
After food, rest a little bit and then bath, okay? Bath.
Cool's back, okay?
Okay. Come on.
With Stefan, okay?